बस कुछ नया बचा नहीं है बोलने के लिए। अब आलिया से पूछो, वो कुछ एंटरटेनिंग आंसर देगी। शी इज़ फ्रेश, शी इज़ द यूथ ऑफ द Actually, I'm here to wish Anurag because I think the film has started. I got a little late because I was working, but he's one of the finest filmmakers we have in the country, and I've loved most of Anurag's work. It's very brave of them to release the film today at such a short notice, and they're all really good friends. So I'm here to support them and to say that he's a fantastic filmmaker, and everybody out there should go and give this film an opportunity. He usually makes some really amazing films. I remember when Gangs of Wasseypur was releasing, it actually released with one of my films, I think Teri Meri Kahani, and it actually did a lot better than my film because it was a better film.
And what is you and Alia are here together, so क्या कह सकते हैं कि ये एक शानदार शुरुआत है promotion?
Well, Vikas is here. Vikas is a part of Phantom, and we've just wrapped Shandar yesterday. So we have to be here to support him. Madhu Mantenna, who's a dear friend, is also a part of Phantom. So I have to be here to support him. And Anurag Kashyap is just an amazing filmmaker. So I think every actor should come out there and support him. There's enough reason for all of us to be here.
शायद ऐसा क्यों होता है कि आपकी फिल्म रैप अप तक आपका लिंकअप हमेशा बाहर आता है। आलिया के साथ भी आपका लिंकअप हुआ, तो इस बात में कितनी सच्चाई है?
मैं कितनी बार ये क्वेश्चन आंसर करूँ? मैं हर टाइम नया आंसर देने की ट्राई करता हूँ, बट अब मैं बोर हो गया हूँ। मेरे पास कुछ नया बचा नहीं है बोलने के लिए। अब आलिया से पूछो, वो कुछ एंटरटेनिंग आंसर देगी। शी इज़ फ्रेश, शी इज़ द यूथ ऑफ द country. She'll give you some very exciting new type of answer. Did she give you any new answer?
No.
Did you ask her this question?
No.
No. तो मेरे से क्यों पूछते हो यार? Ask the girls.
Because
These days the girls are quite smart. Boys are really innocent.
Shahid, what's the first thing that comes to your mind when you listen to the word ugly?
A broken egg. Because you feel like it will be smelly and stuff. A broken egg.
Right. Shahid, in fact, Sanjay Dutt is coming out on Forgo in a few days. A lot of people say that he's, in fact, tomorrow. So a lot of people are saying that he's been getting Forgo since celebrity status is working somewhere. Do you believe that people do get priority?
If I was a judge in the High Court or the Supreme Court, maybe I could have a take on that. I really don't understand the legal system well enough, but I do trust the legal system that we have in this country. So I would choose to believe that it's completely fair. I really don't think I'm qualified to answer that, honestly.
All right.
Done?
Yeah.
I can go?
Thank you.
Thank you for Ugly.
Yes, I'm looking forward for Ugly. I think it's everybody looks forward to an Anurag Kashyap film whenever it's about to release, and Ugly is a little special to me for a different reason, which I think you all will find out soon. एक मिनट, मेरा फोन बज रहा है।
जनरल नॉलेज कोई
हाँ, अभी तुम लोग बोर रहे होगे जनरल नॉलेज पूछ के। मैं पूछूं जनरल नॉलेज?
अरे ये चोट आई है आपको, कैसी है?
ओह हाँ, वेरी शार्प। मैं वर्कआउट कर रही थी जिम में, और मैं पुल अप्स कर रही थी कुछ जंपिंग वंपिंग के साथ, और फिर आई बैंग माई हैंड टू द बार, तो कुछ टेंडन का कुछ अवल्जन हो गया है।
हमने सुना कि काफ़ी सैड हैं आप शानदार के रैप अप से।
हाँ, we just wrapped the film yesterday. Night shooting थी, it's the last day of shoot. So obviously I was very upset क्योंकि September से we've been shooting this film non-stop. तो एक almost जैसा परिवार सा बन जाता है, and then suddenly वो परिवार ऐसे stop हो जाता है, so it's confusing. So I felt really sad, but obviously very excited क्योंकि अभी obviously picture खत्म हो गई, मतलब picture release होने वाली है, लोगों को देखने का मौका मिलेगा, and I obviously want everybody to see it.
Alia, it's on 27th, it's Salman's birthday. So what is that one unusual gift that you would love to give him?
I don't think there's anything that I can give him, which probably he doesn't already have. But I'm a very, as Salman, I'm a very fond painter. So something unusual maybe because I like painting with charcoal and so does he. I would make him something with charcoal.
Okay, I give you 3 options that you would love to see happening in 2015. One, Ranbir Katrina getting married. Salman
Shandar becoming a big hit.
That's the start. So what are your New Year plans?
New Year plans, I have no idea for now. Mostly I'm going to spend New Year's with my family and my sister this year because I'm not spend any time with them.
Resolution?
Resolution मैं बनाती नहीं हूँ क्योंकि I never stick to it. But I feel like 2015 is the year of the body,
So what
the
are you,
perfect body.
what are you looking
तो
for?
वही मैं कर रही हूँ ना, फिंगर तोड़ रही हूँ बॉडी के चक्कर में मैं कुछ टाइम कर रही हूँ. I don't know, 2015 hopefully will be very exciting. मैं ज़्यादा calculate या plan नहीं करती हूँ क्योंकि I feel it loses the fun.
I just spoke to Ayan 2 days back and he said that very soon, by the end or by mid of 2015, he is gonna start the project that you are very keen on working with Chanvi. So how excited are you?
He said that he's going to start mid 2015.
Yeah.
I will call him up right now and ask him if that is true. Of course, I'm very, very excited, but I have no idea when that film is starting. Whenever it does start, I'm obviously going to be more than excited to be on that film working with Ayan and Rinvi.
Lastly, New Year wishes.
Wishing all the viewers a very, very happy New Year. Please be safe. Please don't drink and drive and have lots of fun. And a very prosperous New Year to you.
And Salman Khan wish also.
Happy birthday, Salman.
Thank you.